Hello YouTube, got some parts today, so let's see what we have. Okay, we got 2 pairs of axle bearings and 2 seals, 1 for each side. It doesn't matter if your Panther body has the 8.8 or the 7.5. The axle diameters are the same, so you'll receive this pair. They're 2.25 axle housing, and the axle's going here, and there's the bearings, and that's the rubber seals to keep the oil in. And that's the stock number. They're about $30 each, but I was able to get them on sale for $16 on Amazon. More parts to come. Until next time.